Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is I train 12 sets per week. So I get a lot of questions about my workouts and my workout routine, so I'm going to break it down a little bit in this video here. For quite a while now, I've been strength training just twice a week, and each workout session is 6 sets. And it's pretty simple. I do a pull, a push, and a leg move. And it's very basic. I prefer calisthenics. I love pull-ups, push-ups, and squats. Those are my 3 basic moves. And again, I do 2 rounds of this, and I rarely to never use any weights. Now I'm going to talk about my workouts here a little bit, and there's some important factors to keep in mind. As you can see, I'm finishing the set, and I go beyond failure. So I'll go to where I can't do another rep, and then I'll do some partial reps as well. And this is very important because there's some nuances with my workout that I want to talk about. So that's one of them, because people are surprised that I look how I look and I do so little training. Now, I'm just a regular guy. I've never been any kind of competitor or anything like that. So this is just sort of information for the average Joe, just a regular guy that's trying to get into decent shape. So I want to make that clear first of all. But people are often surprised that I don't really use added weights, at least for my upper body, and that I do really very little as far as the amount of training that I do and have the results that I have. So a couple nuances is, first of all, like I said, I go to complete failure and then I do a couple of partial reps at the end. So that's one trick, that you can not have to do tons and tons of sets and still have good results. And the other thing is, I do have several minutes of rest in between the sets. So I have to recover so I'm strong for my next set. And as far as any other exercising I do, I'm also running 3 days a week. So currently I'm doing the strength training on Monday and Thursday, and I'm running on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. My runs are generally on average about 5 miles. They could be less and could be more. But see, here you go on the set here. I went to failure, and then I'm doing some partials. So really giving it everything I got. That's important with the type of training that I do to have some good results. So yeah, anyways, I'm the running 3 days a week, strength training on 2 days a week. I strength train on Monday and Thursday, and I run on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Generally, the average run is about 5 miles. I'm also doing a lot of walks, and I love hiking, and I also do snow skiing in the winter. So I stay very active in general to stay in good shape. So I think walking is super important. I go on a walk maybe 3 times a day with my dog as well. So that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. I have some delicious recipes there. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.